Guess what I did? Something naughty. I faked death.
Oh my God, Bobby, are you okay? Bobby!
I'm still alive.
What? So you mean, I called the police, the ambulance, and the firemen all around New York City? Not there!
You know what the other thing is? Me and Rudy are getting divorced.
Yes! I can finally kiss her now!
I'm kidding! We're getting married again!
No! I have no chance!
Yay!
No, yes!
Me and my luscious Rudy, we will always be together. Picture us. Me and Rudy.
I can't picture
Me
it.
and Rudy.
I can picture this right now. Oh my God, kiss me.
Stop being mean to my husband.
He's not your husband. He's mine.
Get away from my lips. No. If you want to eat my lipstick, then I suggest you just stop.
I can see your arm.
Who the heck cares?
I can see your butt. Ha ha.
Just kidding. Your mustache looks like a little turd.
Now stay tuned for the next episode of Bill Bobby. Shut up. Shut up, Bobby. This doesn't concern you.
This is your video.
Bye, guys.